Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to add subtitles in Splice. Splice is a powerful and beginner-friendly video editing app that allows you to create clean, readable subtitles directly inside your project. Subtitles are essential for the social media videos, vlogs, tutorials, and any content where viewers may watch without the sound. And here's a detailed step-by-step guide to adding subtitles in Splice. First, you need to open to your Splice app. If you do not have a Splice app yet, you can go to the Play Store or the App Store and download it from there. You can either import a video clip or you can also select any of the draft that you want to put it in the timeline. And make sure your video is fully arranged before starting subtitle to avoid the timing issue later. On the bottom we can find this text, or beside the media tap on the text, and over here what you can do is tap on the captions, and that is it. This is how you can add subtitles in the Splice. And adding subtitles in Splice takes time, but it greatly increases viewer engagement and accessibility. With proper timing and clean formatting, your video will look professional and easy to follow. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. If you have any queries or confusion, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.